This is G1, gear station 1, and you can see I have 2 gears. I'm going to hold it here and you can pause the video so that you can count how many teeth there are. So pause it right now and count. These 2 gears are the same size. They are the exact same piece. So when you're writing your gear ratios, you are writing the ratio of one to the other, teeth to teeth. So if it has 365 teeth, you would write 365 to 365, because remember, they're the same piece. So if you're doing fractions, you always want to reduce, remember. So if I have 365 teeth on one and I have 365 teeth on the other, then each gear is going to have 1 tooth to 1 tooth, because they have the same number of teeth. So for 1 tooth on one gear, you have 1 tooth on the other gear. Okay, now we're going to spin the handle, show you what happens. Okay, so see that they're moving in opposite directions. If one's going clockwise, the other one's going counterclockwise.